Do you want complete control over your email privacy? In this video, I will walk you through Proton Mail, how it works, how to use it, and whether it's the right email platform for you or not. We will cover setup, features, encryption, mobile app, and the real pros and cons all in one easy walkthrough. Let's talk about Proton Mail is a secure, privacy-focused email service based in Switzerland. Built by scientists at CERN, it's designed to offer end-to-end encryption, no data tracking, and complete user anonymity. This means even Proton Mail can't read your emails, and your data is protected under Swiss privacy laws. It's ideal for people tired of big tech surveillance, professional dealing with sensitive data, or anyone who is simply value digital privacy and they just want to get away with the ads. Now, first of all, you have to just come to Google, search for Proton Mail here. Now click on this first link and here we are. Now you can create a normal free account or get email for business. So you can just get it for personal as well as for your business. Now both way are completely fine. You can just go and choose here. Now here you can see there's a free version which is up to 1 GB mail storage and 1 email address. There's a main, it has 15 GB storage, 10 email addresses, and you can have aliases, ultimate folder, right? You will get the access of mail and calendar, ultimated messages per day, one custom email domain, and there's a lot more. And this is a Proton Ultimate, and you can see here you have a lot more access here. And this is a family. If everyone in your family is using it, you can just go with this one. There's a coupon that is a 23% discount. You can use it, and there's a link given in the description, and if there is, then please use that link. You will get much more discount, and it's the official affiliate link here. I'm going to show you the free version here. So once you go here free version, you have to just enter your username. Once you do this, here you can see this is my username. You can use proton.me or protonmail.com. Right now here you have to enter your password and click on start using Proton Mail. Once you do this, you can skip this if you don't want to take any kind of subscription and click on no thanks. Now here, your email will only be used for this one-time verification. So enter your email here. So basically this is a different way for the validations, or you can say just for security purpose. So you can enter any other email which you have right now. Once you enter your email, this is how your code is going to be. Now to copy this code, paste your verification code and click on verify. Then it will ask your display name. So I want FileX Express and click on continue. Now here you can add your another email address, or you can just go and click on maybe later and click on confirm. It's better, it's advisable. I want to advise you that enter your email and phone number because it will act as a security purpose. So even though if you forget your Proton email password, you can just recover your account. Now, so we are inside our Proton Mail here. Here you can say distraction free email. Enjoy a faster focused email. So you can download your desktop app. I don't want to do it right now. You can scan this QR code to get your Proton Mail application, as well as you can just go to iOS or Android App Store or Play Store and you can download it from there. Now here we have a different color, or basically the look and feel. I want this ivory, I think so. And here let's go and click on use this. If you talk about here, you can see, so on the left here you will find folders, and there's a labels and inbox. All the emails which you will receive will show up in inbox here. You can create a separate folder. Let's say for example here right now test one, and what's the folder location. So there's a no folder parent location here, and yes, just go and click on notification on and click on save. So here what it happens, so basically you can name a new folder and select this parent folder you want to put it on, and if you do not select a parent folder, this new folder will be created as a top level folder, right? So here you can see if I just go and click on drop down, and this is a folder we created. You can save our email, very important thing. So let's say it's regarding family, it's regarding my work, so you can segregate and separate all the emails if you're using a single email. Right now here this is a label, so you can put it a label, for example, whether it's a priority, non-priority, or something like that. So it's completely up to your use case how you want to use it. Right now the center is basically your email, which is clean and minimal, right? And let's go to the inbox, and this is how your emails look like. If I just go and click on it, here you can see this is from where it came. It is end-to-end encrypted. We will talk it later about this. This is from where it came here, right? And this is how the email looks, very clean and simple. On the right, the quick settings search bar, if I am going to show you, let's go back. On the top, this is a search bar, you can search it. Right now, this is a read, unread, has attachment and everything here. On the top right, this is your profile. You can add your another email, another account, and this is some of this application by Proton Mail. I'm pretty much sure you would be know about this Proton VPN, which is, Proton is famous for. So you can download your Proton basically VPN here. Now this is security center, this is a calendar, and there's a much more features depending upon what subscription you are taking on, and based on it you will get these features. Right now you can send encrypted messages, organize email with custom labels, and even schedule self-destructing messages. And yes, you can do that. Now let's talk about the encryption and security. So let's go to the here, and pretty much here you can see this lock icon. So every message you send from Proton Mail is end-to-end encrypted. If the recipient also uses Proton Mail, encryption is automatic. For outsider user, you can send a password protected email and set a time for to self-destruct, right? And this is possible. There also no IP logging, no targeted ad, and zero access architecture. Optional two factors authentication. Everything is stored encrypted, so even if Proton were hacked, your messages would remain unreadable, which is not available in Google Mails, Yahoo Mail, or Hotmail. Proton Mail mobile app is available for iOS and Android, and it's mirror the desktop interface beautifully. You can compose, encrypt, and send email on the go. Search is fast and secure, push notifications work instantly, attachment and document previews are seamless. It also integrates with other Proton apps like VPN, Drive, Calendar, giving you a secure ecosystem right from your phone. Now let's talk about the pricing here. So if I just go and click on upgrade, you can see here there's a free plan which we are just using, and here you can see this is called Mail Plus. It has a 15 GB of storage, custom domain, email aliases, and priority support. This is a Proton Unlimited. It has a 500 GB storage, and this is a Proton Duo which is around 1 TB storage, and you can have 2 users, right? And this is really cool. All Proton apps, mail, calendar, drive, VPN pass, best for power users and privacy advocates. So the free plan is perfect to test it out, but the plus and unlimited tier offer far more functionally. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So what's the pros here? The pros are end-to-end encryption by default, no ads, no tracker, based in Switzerland, clean focus interface, strong mobile app, work with custom domain and aliases. And what's the cons? So less storage than Gmail on free tier. Gmail has around 15 GB. Fewer integration, no Google Workspace tool. In Google, you just need single ID and you can use all the application. Slightly learning curve for new user, unfamiliar with encrypted messaging. So if privacy is critical to you, the trade-off is absolutely worth it. Now, what I mean by this, so if you value your privacy, your messages, your emails are very important to you, then you can go for Proton Mail here. So if Proton Mail worth it in 2025 and on the later upcoming years, if you are someone who wants total privacy, security, control over your email without being tracked or profile, Proton Mail is the best one, right? For personal use, freelancing, journalism, or secure communication, it's a strong alternative to Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Want to try out? I have a link Proton Mail official site and app download below here. Download your questions in the comments. And by the way, this was not a sponsored video. So yeah, all this opinion which I have gave, all the use cases which I have shown in this video is completely from my side, my use case. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thanks for watching and support our channel.